Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this video, I'll be bass fishing and doing a review of the Chasebaits Ripple Cicada. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! At that one. Hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Want to welcome you to the next video here. In this video, we will be reviewing the Chasebaits Ripple Cicada. And this lure just came out most recently over probably the last 60 days or so. It just came out. So it's definitely a fun lure to fish with. It's a unique lure in the sense of how it's been constructed. And so I'm just excited to be able to have fished it and bringing it to you guys so you guys can check it out. So what I want to do right now is jump into a closer look and review, and then I'll come back and I'll give you my thoughts. All right. Hey everybody, here's our closer look at the Ripple Cicada by Chasebaits. They call it the Real Cicada Touchdown Instant Crawl. The actual length of the actual lure here is 1.75 inches. The actual weight is 0.21 ounces. And as you can see right here, it's got the double treble hooks on here, and one in the back is feathered, which is what I really like about that. Also, as you can see, the wings, they actually have got real great detail on the actual feathered wings there. Great design on the underbelly, which is what the bass will normally see. But also, what's unique about this one is the actual body right here. The body is actually, and this is something that they talked about, is actually soft. So as you can see, I'm squeezing it here. Most cicadas that I've got have a hard body all the way through and through. So I think the purpose behind having this little softer body is that when the bass clamps hold, it feels more realistic to them. So what I wanted to do was give us a closer look at the Chasebaits Ripple Cicada. All right. Also, something else I noticed here, they've kind of, the back of the, as you can see on the back here, look at the actual handles right here, actually where it's connected at. That piece is actually not a heavy metal piece, but more of a plastic metal piece that allows this, the wing to actually open and close and go back and forth. And so I did notice that is a very little unique piece right there. Also, along with that, the tail of it as well is just a lot more. There's a lot more detail in the tail of this actual cicada lure, and a lot more specificity in little things that they've added to it, such as the overall design and the overall presentation of the cicada, right down to the eyes. And also, what I like is they even added a little leader on there as well, so that you don't have to add one to this lure right here. So those are just some more things that I noticed about it that I wanted to add into this conversation. Okay, we're back. And that was your closer look at the Chasebaits Ripple Cicada. Just to give you some logistical things, just so you guys can kind of know what I'm doing with it. I'm fishing it on a 7-1 spinning combo. In other words, I got a medium heavy, actually, no, just a medium heavy rod, spinning tackle, and I'm using, actually, in the video, you'll see I'm using 8-pound braid to actually fish this lure. I even bump it up on some of the footage as well, and I'll even fish it with a little bit heavier braid, like up to 20-pound braid. But most of the time I'm fishing it on 8-pound braid because this is a light lure, as you already know, and the lure itself on 8-pound braid, you can get some really far casting action on it. And so I'm just excited about this actual lure here. In the video, you're going to see me catching some big bass, a bunch of little bass, and then some more, and a couple of really nice bigger bass as well. And the one thing that I want you to keep in mind when it comes to a cicada is that that's an insect lure. So bass have grown up eating cicadas, And so big bass and little bass will hit a cicada. So no matter where you are, if you have insects that are landing on the water, this lure is going to be kind of a lure that you would really want to fish with, and you could have a lot of fun with as well. So we're going to jump into the footage here, but first, in the next video, which is going to be on Thursday, I'm going to be talking about some more lures, kind of like a little bit of a review of some lures, and then I'm going to be also announcing my Topwater Lure giveaway. So be sure that you are registered for that as well. So you got to like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to be part of the text notification. That's 31996 and the word Topwater. That's 31996 and the word Topwater. Because when I show you what the lures are that you can win, you're going to have to be a part of the community in order to qualify to win. So you got to be part of the text notification, like, subscribe to the channel, and then you'll be a part of it. Also, last thing here for you guys, in regards to the lure, the cicada lure that you just seen here, leave a comment if you fish with it. What's your thoughts about it? I'd love to hear your feedback on it as well. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel, just like as always. And what we're going to do now is not waste any more time. We're going to get out on the water and start fishing with the Chasebait Ripple Cicada. All right. There we go. On that cicada. There we go. We got that one. That little bass. All right. Not the biggest bass in the world, but he wanted that little bitty cicada, so we got him. All right. Well, we got this little one right here, but on that Chasebait Ripple Cicada, we got him. So, all right. There we go. There we go. It's not a big one, but we caught him. Not a big one, but we caught him on that cicada. Well, there's that little cicada. Here's this little bass right here, but he wanted that little cicada. So, all right, we'll take him. There we go. As soon as it hit. Ah! Oh, gosh. He was a little one. That was a little one right there, but that's okay. We'll keep going. We'll get him. All right. There we go. Woo! That cicada. That is that cicada. That cicada, man. Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, that Chasebait cicada did it. Look at that, everybody. Wow. It did it. There it is. That new Ripple Chasebait, the new Chasebait Ripple Cicada did it. Putting in work right there, man. There it is. Right there, everybody. Woo! Hey, everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. And that Chasebait Ripple Cicada putting in work right here, man. Right here. So I'm very happy about this one. All right. All right, everybody, there's his. That's a nice one right there. No complaints. Chasing that chase bait ripple cicada. All right. There it is again. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Just wanted to show this real fast here. This is the Chasebaits ripple cicada right here. It comes with this smaller treble hook here with feathers, but I started to notice when I was fishing that I was missing, like they were slipping off of this smaller one here. So I decided to upgrade it. And what I did was I had a inline spinner laying around, and so I took some wire snips and took off the actual hook from this actual inline spinner and placed it on here. And as you can see, it has a feather treble on here, and it actually matches up pretty nice here. So I'm going to take this lure back out on the water, and we'll just see what it does. Okay, just want to show everybody a little modification I made as you're watching the rest of this video. All right. There's another one. Another little one. A little one here on that cicada. They want that little cicada bug. Not the biggest, once again, not the biggest, but they want it. There we go. Better, nah, still little. Still little, everybody. But they are totally committed to it. Another little one, but they are committed. I have to give it to them. There we go. Another on that cicada. Those little ones are loving that cicada. As you can see right there, loving that cicada. All right. There we go. There we go, everybody. On that cicada, on that Chasebaits ripple cicada right there. Woo! Look at that. Nice one. Getting better. On that Chasebaits ripple cicada right there. All right. All right, everybody, Topwater Johnny here. This is a nice one on that ripple cicada right here. This one wanted it, and we got him on that Chasebaits ripple cicada. Real nice. All right. All right, everybody. Nice one right there. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed the video here. In this video, we were fishing with the Chasebaits ripple cicada. And as you can saw in the video, it caught little bass, it caught big bass, but that little lure puts in work here. I'm really happy about that lure. Happy I had to do a little modification to it to up the hook a little bit so I could catch a bigger fish and really create a little bit better hook set. But overall, it's an outstanding lure. I would definitely recommend you add it to your tackle box because it is a lot of fun to fish. And I'm not sure where you are in the country, it might be getting a little bit colder, but this is definitely one lure that you should have ready to go in your area when you can start fishing topwater again because it works and it puts in work. So I definitely would recommend it to anyone out there that's looking for a cicada bug type lure that they want to fish with. Also, as always, please subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you hit the text notification. And that's 31996 and the word Topwater, 31996 and the word Topwater. Put you on the text alert so that you're ready to win some of the lures that I'm giving away. So I want to make sure you're doing that as well. But once again, just want to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel, staying tuned in with me here as we do this topwater fishing. And I want you to remember that phrase, keep your line tight. Because when they hit those topwater lures, especially that chase bait, ripple cicada, it's going to be a big bite. All right.